Welcome back to Motormax. Some journeys are better shared. Whether it's a corporate team outing, a school excursion, a community event, or a holiday retreat, you need a vehicle that carries everyone safely, comfortably, and reliably. Enter the Toyota Coaster. 22 seats. One vehicle. Total confidence. The Toyota Coaster Standard, finished in classic French vanilla, is built on decades of Toyota engineering excellence, a vehicle so trusted that in many parts of the world.
What if there was a way to get all of you at once? You're talking about a bus. I'm talking about a Toyota Coaster. My appointment is at 10 a.m. I'll miss it. Sir, I can take you. You sure I live 30 miles? That's off, teach.
The word coaster has simply replaced the word bus in everyday conversation. Sleek, contemporary, and timelessly practical. The coaster's large side windows with
Non-profit, Veterans Transport. That's noble. 22 seats, 200+ milliwatts. Range? That's a lot. I can get you fleet pricing.
privacy glass give every passenger a view of the journey without the world looking in. This is group travel, reimagined. This is the Toyota Coaster. And this is where every great journey begins. Comfort and interior design. Step inside, and the coaster instantly puts everyone at ease. 22 spacious seats, including the driver, are arranged with generous room between each row, so even the tallest passenger never feels cramped.
18 elderly veterans, our heroes, can't get to their medical appointments. I want to help. Try again, This is ambitious, Robert I. I'll put in $5,000. My company will match that. The community has spoken. Go get that coaster. The team forms. Robert can't do it alone. Recruiting volunteer drivers. Meeting at church, 5 men volunteer. Training day with the coaster. Final price with fleet discount, $62,000. You raise enough? Community came through. Use the extra for operating costs. This is going to change everything. I've never driven anything this big. This is easier. Power steering, automatic, reversing camera. How do we coordinate? This is a real organization.
The high roof design transforms the interior into a truly relaxing environment, a space where even the longest journey feels effortless. Both standard and deluxe models come fitted with an integrated luggage rack running the full length of the cabin, giving every passenger a dedicated place for their bags and belongings. Air conditioning and heating throughout ensure perfect comfort in every season. The deluxe model takes refinement even further with elegant...
You actually did it! With a lot of help. Everyone, let's load up. This is nicer than any bus I've been on. Air conditioning throughout and luggage racks above. Where's the seat belts? Every seat has a 3-point belt. I forgot what the world looked like in years. Robert, what is this? Community project, free transport for veterans. We've needed this.
Is this for veterans?
Yes, ma'am.
My father's a veteran, 78. Can't get to appointments.
Which facility?
Cloth-covered seats and stylish window curtains. Perfect for those long-haul trips where every detail matters. In the coaster, comfort is not an option.
6 of us.
It is the
You know
standard.
what you gave us today? A ride? Thank you for your service, sir.
Advanced safety systems. The Toyota Coaster carries your most precious cargo people. That is why safety is built into every single system, every single seat, and every single journey. Anti-lock braking system, engaged automatically to prevent wheel lock on slippery surfaces, maintaining steering control when you need it most. SRS airbags for the driver and front passenger, deploying instantly in the event of a collision to protect those at the front of the vehicle.
VA can provide a grant, $250,000 for expansions. Kilowatts to do this right. VA can provide a grant, $250,000. Seriously? Your operation's a model. We want to replicate it nationally. Then we need to do this right. 2.8 liters. Every case storing wiped. These are heroes. I was them once. This matters.
And every single seat, all 22 of them, is fitted with a 3-point emergency locking retractor seatbelt. Not just some seats. Every seat. 4 emergency exits ensure all passengers can evacuate quickly in any situation. A dashboard indicator warns the driver immediately if any door is left open. And the built-in reversing camera gives you a clear, real-time view of everything behind the vehicle because the coaster leaves nothing to chance. Safety in numbers. Always. 2.8L turbo diesel power and technology. Beneath that confident exterior lives a drivetrain built for endurance. The 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine produces 110 kilowatts of smooth, purposeful power enough to carry a full complement of 22 passengers with complete ease, even on demanding inclines or fully loaded highway runs. The 6-speed automatic transmission on both standard and deluxe models delivers seamless, intuitive gear changes, reducing driver fatigue on the longest routes. And the coaster's advanced suspension system, featuring double wishbone front geometry and leaf spring rear setup, absorbs road imperfections continuously, delivering a smooth and stable ride for every passenger regardless of what the road delivers. On the technology front, built-in satellite navigation with sooner live traffic updates keeps the driver informed and on the optimal route at all times. Bluetooth connectivity, auxiliary input, and a 4-speaker CD sound system ensure every passenger stays connected and entertained throughout the journey. The coaster thinks of everything.